What's up? What it do? What it do? What it do? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alifia. For those of you that are new here, thank you so much for stopping by to watch a video here on my channel. I do hope you enjoy what you see here. And if you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know you're going to enjoy, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I come back with my new shenanigans. Yes, yes, yes. So in this video, I am doing this soft glam eye with a bold lip. I just wanted to make the lip bold. I just wanted to be out there. And for this look, and I'll show you in the video, but I'm going to show you again now, I'm using the Nudes by Juvia's Place and the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. These are the two palettes that I'm using for this look. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so what in the hell do I want to do with my eyes? And yes, I want to do to my eyes. I don't know. I just know that I turned on the camera today so that we can do a video. Okay, so let me tell you, I have had my face done now for about an hour and a half. So I was doing the video and I started it before a faculty meeting, a Zoom faculty meeting, and I knew I had the faculty meeting coming up, but I still wanted to go ahead and get started on my eyes, and so that's what I did. Let me tell y'all something. This quarantine, well, not just the quarantine and me trying to improve my channel or grow my channel has had me doing a little bit of shopping. And because I plan on doing more videos with makeup, so I need some essential tools. Like, I know, y'all don't need to tell me, I already know I have a plethora of makeup. It's not just that, it's just certain things that I needed to get. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna do a neutral eye. I love a neutral eye, but I guess you could say a soft glam neutral eye. And y'all, I've been loving working with my Juvia's palettes. So I'm going to use these two Juvia's Place palettes. Come to think of Juvia's Place palettes, she came out with a new palette today. And I took my behind straight on their website and I ordered that palette. And let me tell y'all what it's called. Just so, because I can't remember. Hold on. Patience is a virtue. Y'all don't have enough patience for me. It's called the Wahala palette. Ah, it's so cute. I had to just get it. I had to put it in my little collection. All right, so we're gonna do this like a get ready with me. So I'm just gonna do this without showing you what I got, what I'm doing, okay? What do y'all think? Let's just go, okay. So let me go ahead and get up into this crease of mine. So what have y'all been doing? Have all of y'all taking y'all behinds outside? Mind you, I have went outside. I'm not gonna sit here and say I haven't, but I'm only going outside for essential things. So if I need to go to the store, need to go get something to eat or something like that. But as far as just going outside and hanging at people's houses and things, girl, that ain't even about to happen. That's not even about to happen. All right, so this is the color I just put on. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all. And that's from the Nudes palette. So from this chocolate palette, I'm going to go in my crease again, but I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to use the same brush. So I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. So yeah, so I know I'll be glad when this thing passes. And recently we did something to recognize our seniors. We gave them yard signs. A lot of schools, a lot of principals, they're doing the yard signs. The yard signs are a big thing for the seniors. So they were very, very happy about that. They were excited. I can truly say the seniors were excited about getting those yard signs. So that was a good thing that we did that for them. So I'm trying to soften this up just a little bit up in this area. So now I'm going to go into my crease just a little bit more with this color right here. This color has kind of like a little bit of a red base to it, so to speak. And I just want to keep this right over here in the corner of my eye. I'm not going to take it all the way into the crease. I just want to keep it right over here in this corner. So I have posed on the community tab as well as on my Instagram and in a previous video that I want to do one of those assumptions about me videos. So if you have any assumptions or even questions, because I do have a couple of questions and some assumptions that people have made about me. So, and I find the ones that I've gotten quite interesting. So I am looking forward to addressing those assumptions in a video, of course. So if you have any assumptions that you may have made, gathered, thought about me, or even if you haven't, just if you can think of something that you might have wanted to know about me that you want me to address, then, you know. And when I say this, I mean, any question that you want to ask, I'm fine with it. If there's a question that someone asked that I'm not comfortable with, that I'm uncomfortable with answering, then I just won't answer it. All right, y'all. So I want to not necessarily, and I love to say that, not necessarily carve out my crease, but I want to make it to where this color will show up the way I want it to show up. So, because I'm not going to go all the way up. It's going to stay down here in this certain area, right here on my lid. And while this is my crease, the last cut crease I did, and you should be seeing that video by the time this video comes up. The last cut crease I did, I went higher than my actual crease. That's the first time I did a cut crease like that, where I went higher than my, look at that. See how I'm talking and I did this? I'm gonna have to fix that. So, okay, and so for this color on my lid, let's see, what color do I want to go with? Let's try this one right here. Okay, so of course y'all know I had to clean it up where I messed up that little line. And I think I want to go back in my crease with this little brown just a little bit. No, not that one. This one, this one. This red looking brown, brick looking brown. So yeah, I like this. I am liking this. All right, y'all, so I decided to go ahead and finish this eye and then do this eye because I just felt like it. So we're gonna go do. So I'm going to do eyeliner on this eye next. And so y'all, I had to order me some eyeliners from NYX. I ordered them from NYX because NYX has some eyeliners that are reminiscent, kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay liners. And right now, you know, well, not right now, but the Urban Decay liners are $22, and I need several liners because the liners I have had them like years and years, and a lot of them are dried out. So I had to get some more. And when I say they are old, I mean like 8, 9, 10 years old, because depending on how long you've been on my channel, that's my favorite line to say, then you know that I'm not a girl that likes to wear liner every time I put on makeup. I've been wearing liner more because I've been putting it on for the purposes of the videos, but on a regular basis, like daily basis to work and stuff, I don't wear liner. So therefore, my liners don't get used. And I chose to purchase so many liners because back in like 2010, I was working at Ulta, and I was working part-time because I was doing my student teaching and stuff like that. And I was working part-time, and I got a deal, so I would buy the liners. And then even after I started working, I still had friends that worked at Ulta that would hook me up. and get me liners with their discount. And back then I didn't wear them all the time, but I just thought Urban Decay liners were so cute, and so I just had to have them. I didn't have to have them because I wasn't going to use them, but you know how we do. I stopped using my Benefit Mad Gal mascara when I'm putting on these lashes because I'm not trying to waste that mascara. But I've been putting on the lashes more because I do notice that in a lot of videos with like makeup tutorials, that's what people do. They put on the lashes. I know y'all probably wondering why I put on my regular liner if I was going to do this for my glue. And that's because I'm going up a little higher with my regular liner. So I didn't want to go up higher with this, with it being like a 2-in-1 having glue on it. So that's why I did that like that. Okay, so y'all, I went on to that, what is it, the website for those Lily lashes, because I was going to buy a pair of those. Y'all, I did not know those lashes cost $30 freaking dollars. $30 for some lashes. I'm sure there's some probably more than that, but I was like, no, not right now. I don't know, maybe one day I'll buy some, but right now it's not in the budget to spend $30 on some lashes. For my contour, bronzer, whatever you want to say, I'm going to use this right here, this Black Radiance contour palette. And I just recently, and I'm going to haul it, I recently ordered me another one. And here, I've hit pan. And well, I haven't hit pan on the other one, but I've hit pan on that one. But I've recently ordered me another one, and I actually ordered two because I'm going to give one away because my giveaway is coming up, but I ordered a couple of things to go with the giveaway. So yeah, that's definitely coming up. Okay, and so someone asked me, and I replied, but it asked me about how I felt about doing my line now. Am I going to continue doing the edge up on my hairline? And I think I am, because I actually like the way it looks like this. All right, and so for my blush, I'm going to use this blush that I've been using since I got it, and it's the Fenty Cream Blush. I've actually ordered some more of these, so I am going to do like a little review on them with the few that I did order, because your girl don't get PR for anything. But I've seen some reviews on these, and some reviews, I think that, I'm not gonna say people didn't use them right, but I don't think that they gave them a fair chance, because these are some really good blushes. I mean, I like them, and I've never been a person to put cream products on top of powder products, but yeah, so I'm going to actually, you know, like I said, I'm going to do a review, because I do have some more coming because I've ordered some, and so when they come, I'm going to do a little review. All right, so what I do though, once I put it on, I didn't do it the first time I used it, but after that, I just take my powder brush and I just kind of go over that cream to almost set it. I don't add powder to it, but I just use the powder that was already on it. And then what am I gonna do for highlight? Okay, I think I'm going to use, I barely ever use this highlight, but I'm going to use this highlight out of the Black Radiance palette. And what do I want to do for my lips? I think for my lips, I want to do something bold. Let's see. I'm going to use this Cherry Lip Liner from MAC to line my lips. I overlined them a little bit, and that's not something I do, so that wasn't on purpose. I'm going to take this NARS lipstick in the color You're No Good. I don't like the overline on my lips. Let me see if I can get that off. I don't like it. Alright, so I am back with the completed look, and after I left off, that lipstick wasn't doing anything for me, so I added the Afrique matte lipstick from Juvia's place, and then I topped it with the Sweet Mouth Gloss Bomb from Fenty, because that NARS color just was not doing it for you girls, so I had to switch it up. Alright, so, and then I put on me a little bit of jewelry, some earrings, and a nice little dress, and I didn't put on a necklace because sometimes I don't know, I mean, since I've lost weight, even though my collarbone just doesn't stick out and pop like I want it to, I do like my little décolleté, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So anyway, I thank you so much for coming to check out another video here on the channel. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you would like to see right here on the channel. I do have some videos in mind that are coming up, but if you have any requests or if there's anything that you would like to see, then please, you know what to do. Leave them down there. Leave them down there. Leave them down there. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I just had lipstick on my teeth, so I hope it wasn't all the way through my outro, but if it was, disregard that because I don't want to do that again. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So until the next time in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.